It would leave the costume.
Oh my god, it left out of the box.
Okay, let me do it now. Okay, Chelsea's doing it. Okay.
Oh my
Let's see where yours goes, and then I'll see where mine goes, because it's a new video.
That was great.
Oh my gosh, that was too good.
Okay, watch me not. Okay, do I just split out?
Yeah, you just pull it.
Okay, watch me not.
Okay, dang it. Chelsea, come on now.
Ready? Put it on the thing. I don't know. Fast, go.
I was kind of scared it's going to hit me in the head. Okay.
Mine was the best.
Oh my god. Guys, you're stuck.
yours.
Okay, ready?
Wait, did you record it going out?
No, it was like, it's because.
I had
Yeah.
the first one. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, set, action. It went nowhere.
You get it? Okay. Let me try it one more time.
Oh my god, okay, hold on.
Ready? Or you start first?
Okay, take 5 because Angie doesn't know what she's doing. Where is it?
I can't catch it in my ear. That's so cute.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, look at
Forget it,
him.
guys. Something else.
Stupid girl.
So this is gonna entertain me so much today.
Did you find it?
I was like, no.
Wait, I gotta put it in. It broke.
No, it did not.
It broke.
We have to decorate this one.
We do. Ready? Go!
I don't want. Should I do it soft? Let me do it so I can do this. There you go. Wait. You have to aim it. I don't know how I did it though. It was like this, and then I was just like.
Went nowhere.
Okay. Make sure you get the right angle. Just do right here.
Oh my god, this is.
Wait, I want to see it.